What's up, guys? Sorry I'm skipping along so much on this video. I only have a few days to get this truck done. It leaves for Moab in like 2 days, so 3 days. 3 days. So that means it's got to get painted tonight and dry, get put back together, and then hit the road. So that's where we're at. That's where we're at with this truck. Didn't miss any steps. The truck was already sanded, if you guys remember. So that was really neat. It took a lot of time off me. I just went over and skimmed it. We threw some primer on it, same primer we always use, the same exact way, only one coat. This truck's not gonna be just a perfect show and shine vehicle, but it's gonna be nice. I'm telling you right now, the thing came out really good, I think, for right now. So now we're gonna start laying the paint. Yeah, this beautiful. Oh yeah, look at that. Should look pretty good. Green. Looks pretty green right now. I hope it gets more blue. Sometimes it does that until you put clear coat on it. It's really weird, but yeah, here we go. coat number one. I think I thought I was videoing from over there, and I don't think it was. So hopefully I caught it. I'm gonna be really sad if I didn't, because the camera was off. I swear it was on. Sometimes my GoPro just shuts off, so I think maybe that's what happened. I tried to use my older GoPro in here so I could overspray all over it, but there you go. So I got a little splotchy, just one section right there. Other than that, it's pretty good. I don't know what the top looks like, I haven't seen it. I think overall, this thing's looking really, really clean, really, really good. Bodywork looks pretty good. Everything's looking really nice. Nothing. As we walk around, this is my first time walking around with you guys. So as I'm walking around, nothing is jumping out at me. Remember where we fixed? Nothing's jumping out at me right now. Everything looks pretty uniform for the first coat. For the first coat, it looks pretty good. I got a little splotchy right there. Not bad. Might have just went a little fast in that section. Dennis is gonna do a bed liner, so we don't need to get in there. Everything else can nice and even on this one. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with that first coat. So let's keep trucking. Let's put the second coat on right now. All right, second coat. Coat number 2. That is looking a lot better. That's looking really good. Looking really good. Now, we're gonna do 3 coats if we have enough. It's kind of a big truck. Same stuff like we always use when it comes to clear coat. The USC. Okay, I can't help it. My battery died. I don't know. GoPro life. There you go. Got a little light right here. Walk around it real quick. That light, that color just glows. All right, here we go. It's looking pretty good. It's not perfect, but that looks pretty good to me. Next day, let's try to get this thing unmasked and see what we get. Maybe get it outside today. Oh boy. Looks good. Let's see. Hopefully everything comes off nice and pretty and easy. Came off good. Masking on the inside now. Everything else is good. Masking on here. I'll bring you guys in here for a look, but I don't think the color's exactly right, but yeah, it's there you go. It is way more blue, or this is way more green than the blue, so that's kind of a bummer a little bit. We didn't get very close, but we couldn't find an exact match. So, dang it. That's just one of them things. Let me get the masking pulled off here and we'll see the rest. Well, there she is outside. Sucks, it's always overcast. It doesn't matter. Yesterday was beautiful. Today's overcast. You roll one out of the garage thinking you're gonna see it in the sun, and wha-bam! There she is, all put together back on the wheels. Definitely think the wheels need a shining. It's a little dusty right now. I might wipe it off before I take it to Dennis's. I think I'm gonna drive it over there. But yeah, there she be. Love the custom CST right there. Need to spruce that up a little bit, and I think that thing would really look good. There we go. Outside it looks good. It's always overcast. No matter what you do when you pull something outside, it's always overcast. I like to see them shining in the sun, but you know, that's what we got. Let's look down the side of it. This was the worst side. It's got some ripples in it, not gonna lie. What it really needed was a second primer. So yeah, like I was saying, it's got some ripples in it and stuff. What it really needed was a second primer. I always prime things once or twice, or once, block it down real good with like a 150 or even an 80. Try to cut it in straight, fix any problems I have, then prime it again, and then you block that out. You can do 220, 120. And then prime it again. So sometimes I primer 3 times, 2-3 times. It doesn't matter how many times, just get it on there. But this was a one time, put it all on there and try to get it all off and get it smooth. I think for the price and everything that we did this truck for, Dennis should be more than happy. Can't wait to let him see it. All right, so hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm driving the truck over to Dennis's house. I don't know if you're gonna get much of a reaction out of him. I don't know if he's that kind of a reaction type of guy, but we'll let him see it for the first time. And yeah, so probably you guys will see this video after Moab, Utah, but the truck will be there. He's heading there, gonna go hang out and cruise it around. So what do you think?
I like it.
You like it? Does it look better?
Yeah, I even like the color.
I love the color, man. Yeah. It is a good color. It's not the right color for the interior, but it's a good one. Looks, of course it's overcast. I think it's really going to look good in the sun.
I think it's better color than the inside.
I think so too. I think it is too. I like the color way better. Heck yeah.
Oh, get those little pieces of chrome on the front.
Oh dude, it's going to look good. I can't wait to see it in Moab. I'm going to take some video of it in Moab too.
Okay.
God, I love that color, man. I think that was a better color.
Yeah, I do too. I like it better.
It sucks it doesn't match, but honestly it's kind of a blessing.
That's all right.
Yeah, just clean up the interior, clean the windows, and
Yeah.
this thing's gonna look amazing.
I ordered. We got new window handles.
Oh, did you get new door handles?
Yeah, I remember. See, this one don't match.
Oh,
I
yeah.
broke the one. Ah, I
So
like
what do
it.
you think? You gonna sell it or you gonna keep it?
Probably sell it.
Are you gonna sell it? Oh, dang it.
Yeah, sell it so I can paint this other stuff.
Yeah, he's got a lot of other projects.
Yeah, you know, I bought it
I
for
love
this.
it when it catches that light just right and it has that glow.
Yeah.
Wish it was sunny today.
Yeah. I like it.
Sweet. Well, cool. You want to give me a ride home then?
Yeah, you gonna drive?
I don't care.
Yeah, you drive.
All right, Dennis. I don't want to see her go, but
Well, I like it so.
he likes it. So we're on to the next one. Bumper's put on, all the other stuff that he took off for me. And he's got some more projects, so we'll see you in the future.
You bet. You bet. You keep doing work like this, you'll see a lot of me.
Oh, cool, cool. That's what we want to hear. Oh, look at that. He's even going to do a turn for me. What a nice guy. Just so I can see it. See you, Dennis.